Ever heard of a tree's heartbeat? Scientists have discovered that trees don't just passively stand there, they pulse. Sap doesn't flow continuously. It moves in rhythmic waves, much like a human heartbeat. These pulses help regulate water and nutrient transport, especially during night cycles. It's not a literal heart, but the pattern is eerily similar. This discovery challenges how we view plant life, less mechanical, more alive, and surprisingly in sync with biological rhythms. Sap flow in trees is driven by a combination of root pressure, capillary action, and transpiration. But here's the twist. Recent studies show that trees adjust this flow in response to environmental stress, much like how our bodies regulate blood pressure under stress. When drought hits, trees constrict their internal flow to conserve resources. It's a physiological response that mirrors how humans manage stress through circulatory changes. Trees, in a way, have their own version of emotional regulation. Just like our circadian rhythms, trees have daily sap flow cycles. During the day, transpiration pulls water upward, while at night, flow slows or even reverses. This diurnal rhythm is so consistent that scientists can predict a tree's internal state by time of day. It's like a biological clock ticking inside the trunk. These patterns suggest trees are not static. They're dynamic organisms with internal timing systems, much like our own sleep-wake cycles and hormonal rhythms. When trees are wounded or under attack, they release chemical signals and alter sap flow, akin to how our bodies respond to injury. This includes producing resins or tannins and redirecting resources to the affected area. It's a defense mechanism that parallels inflammation in humans. These responses are not random, they're regulated and purposeful. Trees, in their own way, feel and react, not emotionally like us, but through a complex system of internal signaling and flow modulation. So, do trees have emotions? Not in the human sense, but their internal rhythms and responses suggest a form of physiological awareness. Their sap flow patterns mirror our circulatory and stress systems in surprising ways. Understanding these analogies doesn't just deepen our respect for trees, it blurs the line between plant and animal life. Trees may not feel joy or sadness, but they pulse, respond, and adapt. And that makes them far more alive than we once thought.